Hey guys, welcome to Beam Easy. Do you want to create a rectangular RCC beam with a parametric notch like this? The notch is truly parametric. If I click on it and if I change the notch like this, it will affect the beam. As you can see, it is parametric. So without any delay, let's get started. We will not create the beam with notch family from scratch. Instead, we will use the existing beam family. To do that, we will go to New, select Structural Template, create new project and click on OK. Why I use the structural template? Because in this template, the beam family will already be loaded. We will go to Structure, we will select Beam, and from here we will take a concrete rectangular beam and draw a random beam like this. Now I will click on it and visualize it in 3D view. Let us set the detail to fine and this one to shaded. So this is my rectangular beam which is regular and which does not has any notch. Now to create a notch in this family, we will click on the beam and then click on edit family. Now we are in the family editing user interface. Now to see the cross section of the beam, we will go to elevations and we will go to either left or right view. I will be going to left view. So you can see this is the beam and the width and height are already parametric. Now let us create two more reference planes. The shortcut is RP. I will create a reference plane over here and a second reference plane over here. For time being, I will temporarily hide this beam. So I'll select this beam and go here and I will click on hide element. So it is now temporarily hidden. Now what we will do, we will make this reference plane and this reference plane as parametric. Now take the dimension command, shortcut is DI and click like this. Then take dimension from here till here and click outside. Okay. Now press escape to come out of the command. Now I will select this dimension and I will convert it into a parameter. So the name of the parameter will be notch X because this is in the X direction and this will be notch Y. Notch Y. Click on OK. One thing I forgot is that I want to make these parameters as instance parameters. No worries, we can edit it. I will go here into family types and these are my parameters notch Y and notch X. I will select notch X, go to edit and make this parameter as instance. I will go to notch Y, go to edit. Let us put a hyphen between notch and Y and now I will make it instance. Click on OK. So now my reference planes are parametric. If I try to change it, let us change this notch X to 75. It is changing. Now let us change this one also. Maybe to 50. Yeah, so it is working. Now it is time to edit our beam. I will bring the beam back from temporary hide isolate. Go here, reset temporarily hide isolate. So this is your beam. Now we will create a notch in the beam like this. So select the beam, go to edit sweep. Now we have to click on select profile. So you can see the profile right now is metric rectangular beam profile. What I want to do is I want to change this. So I will drop this down. So I will click here and I will make it by sketch. Okay. Now I will create a profile of my own. Click on edit profile. Now click on pick lines and turn on this lock option so that your geometry is locked with the reference planes. Now simply select the reference planes. Now we will trim out the unnecessary portion. To make it more clear, I can turn off this thin lines option. Now I will take the trim command. and I will trim out the unnecessary portion. So the profile of the beam is now ready. Now what we will do? We will click on finish edit mode and finish again. Let us visualize this in 3D view. So you can see this is now my beam with a notch. Let us turn on fine and shade it. So this is how it will look. Now let's check whether the notch is working or not. Go to family types and we will try to change this notch Y and notch X. Let us make this 100. Apply. It is working. Let us make this 75. Apply. Now it is working. One more thing we need to add in this family is the ability to flip this beam in the project. For that, what we will do, we will go to the reference level and now we will go to create and now we will add a control over here. Let us take this double vertical and place it over here. So this gives us the ability to flip the beam in our project. Now we will save this family. Go to file, save as, family, and select your desired location. For me it's desktop, and in the concrete rectangular beam I will just add underscore one side notch. If you are providing notch on both the sides, then you will write two side notch. I will click on save. Now I will load this particular family into the project. So the family is now loaded into the project. I will just simply draw this family. So you can see a beam with notch is ready. I will show you this in 3D view. So this is how it will look like. Now if you want to flip the beam, then there is one option to do so. Click on it, go to rotate, type 180 degree over here and hit enter. So now your beam will be rotated. If you want to flip the beam in the plan view, when you click on it, you can see this particular flip button. You can select it and your beam will be flipped. Now if you want to join two beams which are perpendicular to each other, the notch will also join itself. I will show you. Select the beam, right click, create similar, and I will draw a beam like this. So you can see the notch has joined itself. I'll show you this in the 3D view also. So this is how your notch will look like. Alright guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel because I will be bringing more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.